Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to uninstall Docker from your computer. So guys, if you want to uninstall the Docker completely from your computer, so guys, it is very easy. First of all guys, you simply right click. First of all, press Ctrl Shift or Escape. Make sure there in the app section there is a no file that running in the background related to the Docker. Okay, then you cross it. After that you go and right click on it, and guys click the option of file location, and guys here this is your file. Okay, make sure that file is your program and docker. So this is the complete path. Then you simply go for the control panel and go for the uninstall. Then guys here you check your docker, then right click on it, click the option of uninstall and wait for to uninstall. Now guys here you see that start removing the packages, then close, and here you see that docker is removed from your computer. Now to verify docker is removed or not, you go to this file, go for the program files. If this file is still exists, so guys just click and right click on it and delete this file also from the recycle bin. So this is the complete way that you can uninstall the docker from your computer. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.